guys, welcome to Arts. So today we are going to focus how to make a bird on a tree. So the picture will be like this. So come on, let's see it. First, you have to draw a tree. If you want big, you can make it big like this tree. Then over here part, join it. Then make a beak over here. Then make one eye. And from here, take a line and put it to the end of the paper. Then start drawing other lines like this. So if you see, this is a very simple tree and here's a bird. If you even want to make legs, you can make legs. If you want to make more birds, it depends on your wish. So like that you can make how many birds you want. So it's your wish, and I'm again reminding you how to make the bird. First, to draw a tree, this tail should be long. Join it here, a beak, one eye, two legs, and remember only one leg should have only 3 fingers. Thank you, and please subscribe. If you want any comment, you can write, you can post it to abhyudayjha@gmail.com. abhyuday.jha. Thank you.